In time past, to get Patente B, they very, very difficult, almost impossible. And that's why most of us, we don't do some side runs to get this Patente B. Some don't go France, go Poland, go Belgium, even buy the license online. Some don't try waste money because we know the importance of this Patente. It will ease your life here in Italy. We don't break them down for you. It is becoming very easy now to pass the Patente B. The language is no longer a barrier, or you don't get money to go driving school. It's not a barrier anymore. What you do on my YouTube channel, I don't do chapter 1 to 25. I don't treat all the topics for you. You don't need to even contact me to join. Follow the videos on my YouTube channel. Subscribe free of charge. And then you on your own time, at your leisure, you dey work, you dey house, you dey cook. Just on the video, follow it, and then you see say those difficulties wey you get, we don't break am open for you. Wetin we do, we bring the Patente B in Italian, we come turn am to pidgin English. So we break down the app Guida and Vi and other important applications for driving. We break them down all my pidgin English. So you don't need anybody to explain to you again, say, wetin e mean. All the words, we don't break them down for you. You do your quiz. But if you join our class on WhatsApp, it will help you a lot because the questions where you don't understand, you can drop them there. And other students will explain to you in the ways you understand, and then you're helping yourself to learn. All these things are free of charge. What will you do now to save money is that keep the money where you want to give teachers, keep it for your practicals. Because practicals these days is costly. Save your money, join us for class free of charge, and pass your Patente B theory exams, and then you are good to go. What are you waiting for? Now, until they don't change all the driving school laws, regulations, you go join. Join now. Now it is easier for you to pass. Now you have students to assist you to pass as well. Now it is free. Join now and don't waste your time. See you in class.